happening in this world. I don't know what is happening in this world. In this world there are very many wonderful things. In this world there are very many wonderful things. But Miss Sanguri has done a very wonderful job. In fact, Miss Sanguri has done a very good job. I don't even mind of buying mosquito net. I don't even mind of where to sleep. I can even sleep on the roadside, even on the chair, even on the carpet, even on the veranda, even in the corridor. Oh, Miss Sanguli, how wonderful are you? Hello, Miss Sanguli, I love you. Oh, Miss Sanguli, I need you. Miss Sanguli, I love you. Oh, Miss Sanguli, I need you. Miss Sanguli help me to solve the problem in my home. Hello, Miss Sanguli help me to solve the problem in my home. In my home I was having too much problem, because the lady was just calling me daddy during night hours. The lady was not calling me daddy during daytime. I told the lady the lady answered me a very clear answer. Ah, you go away, go marry. Teaching me the Samoro Quadri program, my page. Yakado Kotagi, Tamada mother, they take. Then I came back for the lady. I interrogated the lady properly. What were you saying? You know what, Daddy Kisi, to me I was just joking. Joking with me? You think I'm a kid to be joked with? Then I first gave the lady one of the most serious blow on earth. Toop, toop, toop. Let's enjoy the boxing. Toop. And Daddy Kisi, don't let me go away. What we are doing, even Jesus Christ is seeing. Let me go away. Pack yours and leave mine. The time of bring another lady became Maria problem. Hello, the time of bring another lady became Maria problem. When I remember my little love, I cry. The tears run down my cheeks. The piwangalo limbani. Oh, Miss Sanguli, I love you. Oh, Miss Sanguli, I need you. Miss Sanguli, I love you. Oh, Miss Sanguli, I need you.
The Wash 256.